What's popping, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be very serious. So today we are going to be talking about the Amazon rainforest, the region that lies between the Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23.5 degrees north, and the Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23.5 degrees south, is a tropical region. The areas below 5 degrees to 10 degrees below and above this Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn are called the subtropical regions. This is the area where North India lies. The region 5 to 10 degrees above and below equator is called the equatorial region. It receives direct sunlight. So there is high rate of evaporation in this region, which leads to high rainfall, and which in turn leads to presence of dense forests. These forests are so thick that the rooftops don't allow sunlight to reach the ground. So only shades, plant vegetation grow under these trees. High humidity is also present in this region. The Amazon rainforests fall in this region. It is the largest rainforest in the world. It rains almost every day here. The area of Amazon rainforest is 5.5 million square kilometers, which is bigger than the area of India. Many rivers flow here, the most important being the Amazon River, which is the biggest river in the whole world. It nurtures a wide variety of flora and fauna. The river begins and flows east and empties in Atlantic Ocean. In northeastern coast of Brazil, the Amazon River, along with its tributaries, drains a large area, forming the largest river basin in the world, Amazon River Basin. Let's talk about some fun facts. So, when the Spanish explorers they went to the Amazon rainforest and they were in a boat in the Amazon River. They went somewhere like in the forest and they saw tribes. Amazon also has many tribes, and these are the people who live there. They are not so modern, but they are very interesting to know about. So those tribes reminded one of those explorers about the Roman woman warrior tribe called the